If you're learning Excel for office work, computer skills or for job, then start this two basic formula is very important. So in today's video, I'll teach you two formulas, sum and average formula with practical examples step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to Florican Careers Academy. My name is Anis Fatima, Managing Director of Florican Careers Private Limited. And on this channel, we learn job-ready computer skills, MS Office, PowerPoint, AI tool, digital marketing, and many other career-oriented courses. So let's move on to the practical training. So guys, we'll start with the practical assignment. So this is our Excel sheet. Now I will make one practical assignment sheet for finding our formulas. So here I'll make a sheet, we can say student marks sheet. This we are making student marks sheet. Okay. So now first here I'll write here first serial number, then student name, then we'll take just three subjects: English, maths, and science. So I'll make a column for this. For this you need to go here and you can make a all borders for your sheet. So we'll take now four students. One, two, you can write serial number and you don't need to write again and again each number. You can drag, so you will get automatically serial number step by step. And so we'll take four students. For example, Ayan, Rohan, Rehan, and Sona. So this four student we have taken and we can write the marks. You can take for example any marks what you want: 70, 85, 60 and 90. And in maths we can say 80, 75, 70, 88. And in science Ayan we can take 90, 95, 80, 92. So you can do proper formatting for this, like you can keep borders and alignments this way, and also for the heading we can make bold, and we can increase the font size too. So first we'll calculate the sum formula. I'll tell you what exactly is the sum. Sum formula is used to add numbers together. Okay, and what is the purpose of the sum formula? The purpose of sum formula is used to calculate total values, find overall sales, add marks, salary, expenses, profit, etc. This save time instead of doing manual calculations. So for calculating any formula, we need to start with equal to sign, equal to, and you can write the formula. What is the formula we are using? Sum. Sum, you can click here, bracket get opens, and you can drag this cell of this three subject and you can close the bracket and you can enter. So you will be getting the result. The total marks you are getting is 240 for Mr. Ayan. And also if you want to calculate for Rohan, Rehan and other student, you don't need to write again and again formula. Just you need to drag the formula. Automatically you will be getting some value of all the students. So guys, I hope you have understood this sum formula. So here you can write the column total and you can do the formatting borders. So now next we'll move to the average formula. So here heading I can make the sum formula assignment. And sheet 2. Now sheet 2 will go for the average formula. Again, we will copy this sheet. No need to write again this sheet. Just copy and you can apply this formula in the next. You can apply this formula in the next sheet. We can apply average formula. So just do the formatting. Okay. So heading also we can copy from here and we can paste here. Now we are learning about the average formula. I'll tell you first what is average. Average formula is used to find the mean value of the numbers. If it adds all number and divide by total count. Purpose of average formula is find middle performance, analyze performance level, understand overall trend, compare result easily. So here we'll write one more column of average. We'll do the border formatting and now let's start. It will start with equal to and we can write here average. So, and we need to drag the three subject cell and we need to close the bracket, enter. So we will be getting the result. So average marks we are getting the 80% for Mr. Ayan. The same you can drag for the remaining students and you can see this is the average marks and this is the sum mark and this is the average mark. So we had learned the two formulas, basic, sum and average. More on the way, guys. So in interview, for answering the question of sum and average formula, if any interviewer asks why do we use sum formula, you can answer we use sum formula to quickly calculate total values in Excel such as marks, sales, salary, expenses and profits. Why do we use average formula? We use average formula to find the mean value and understand overall performance of trend in the data. So students, assignments for you: add 5 more students and calculate the total value, sum value and also the average formula. This is excellent practice for the beginners. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more MS Excel tutorial, MS Office, digital marketing, AI tool and many more. So stay connected with Florican Careers Academy. Thank you.